Hi, today I wanted to cover a very common email type, and so the type of email I was going to cover was vehicle request. That's how I've got that titled. And what this means is somebody has gone to the website typically and they look for their part that will fit their car or truck, and they do not find it, so they submit a form via the website and are asking whether or not I have a tab in the works, or I am going to develop one. So that's what it means, and then how to respond. So I like to just get back to these folks and let them know that I did get what they submitted, and I will keep their email handy so that if and when I develop the tab, I will let them know. So the procedure is right here, and we'll go through this and see if this makes sense. So let's see here. Let's find an email that. Okay, so here's one that says, "Hi, do you have a replacement for a BMW F20?" So the procedure says to go to the website and check to see if there is a tab for the BMW F20. So the easiest way to do that is this shop by vehicle. Go down to BMW, and you'll see a lot of tabs for the BMW, but if you look, you won't find any for an F series. So, and if you have any doubt at all whether or not there is a tab, BMW is a little tricky because they use different model numbers, and anyways, it took me a while to learn that, but definitely just flag the email and I will look at it. So the next step, if you don't find anything on the website, is open the vehicle request list. So this is another document that's in the Google Drive, and I like to keep track of all the vehicles that have been submitted, so that way I kind of have a feel for what vehicle might have an issue and I might need to develop a tab for. So if you go to this in Google Drive, there's a spreadsheet called vehicle request list. If you open that up and insert a line, and so this was a BMW F20, I think is what it was. See if they put a year on here. No, they did not, so we'll leave that blank. Most of the time they will, but and they also did not say how many tabs were broken in their car. Date submitted, somewhere around today. And then grab their email address. That way, if I do develop a tab for the F20, then I can email them. Okay, so the next step after that is to click reply, and then, whoops, sorry, too many tabs open. Reply, and I like to edit the subject because the subject is usually something that is a default subject line. It doesn't make a lot of sense. So you can just fill that in with something like regarding VentTabs. And then there's also a template over here that you can use, save some time on typing. Let's see here. And if you want to, I like filling in the first name if they provide it. And then also deleting all this stuff that's down here, so it's a little cleaner. So hit send. You can delete that email after you send it, and yeah, that's how that's a lot of the emails are like that. And then also you'll see a lot of them that it's either going to be that type of email that you just saw, or it'll be this no reply, and it'll say new submission. So same type of thing. They're basically saying they want me to develop a tab for the Buick LaCrosse 2017 year. 4 tabs are broken. So again, we'll go through that same sequence, look on the website, enter this information in the spreadsheet, hit reply, send them an email, and then you can delete the email when you're finished. Hope this makes sense. If you get to a vehicle and you don't know whether or not I have a tab for it, again, just let me know, or just flag the email, and I will definitely take a look at it and answer it myself. Thank you.